Now we are going to see about working of digital agriculture using Tinkercad software. The main objective of this project is to measure soil and atmospheric parameters. Tinkercad software is an online simulation used for circuit design. It has all the electrical components required to build circuit and run them. This software has all the electrical components required to construct a circuit. In right side of the screen there are basic components required for a circuit. For this circuit we are in need of an Arduino Uno, DC motor, potentiometer, multimeter, LCD display, resistor, breadboard, etc. Connections are made as per the circuit diagram. Here we are using potentiometer to represent sensors. The temperature sensor senses the temperature and converts it into electrical signal which is applied to Atmega 328 microcontroller of Arduino Uno. The analog value is converted into digital value. Thus the sense value of temperatures are displayed in LED. Next, moisture sensor. It measures the volumetric water content in the soil by measuring the dielectric constant of a soil, which is the strong function of water. The humidity sensor works by detecting the changes that alter electrical current or temperature in the air. When the temperature exceeds a limit, motor turned on. If moisture content of the soil goes below predefined value, motor for drip irrigations will turn on. If temperature, moisture and humidity is greater than 300, LED will glow. After completing the connections, we have to generate codes and check the code for error. If there is no error, then we can start stimulating the program. The LCD makes the system user-friendly. LCD will display the measured parameter in a fixed interval of time. LCD can be controlled by using a potentiometer connected to breadboard. Digital agriculture is the use of new and advanced technology integrated into one system to enable production from paddock to consumers. It has the potential to make agriculture more productive, more consistent, and to use time and resource more efficiently.